In the Acton area, where heavy rainfalls are not uncommon, the reliability of a sump pump is the unsung hero keeping basements dry and protected. However, sump pump failures can spell disaster, often resulting from power outages, improper installation, or simple neglect in maintenance. The aftermath? Flooding, water damage, and a host of subsequent issues that no homeowner wishes to confront. If you're in the Acton area and facing the daunting challenge of a sump pump failure, especially when the clouds gather, there's a beacon of hope. Don't wait for the rain to overwhelm your defenses. Call 888-501-1193 today to get your plumbing inspected, repaired, or upgraded by qualified professionals. Secure your home, safeguard your peace of mind, and ensure your sump pump stands ready against the storm.